Hey Mitzi, so Mitzi has a bachelor's in mathematics. In another comment, she mentions that she has a master's in literacy as well. She's using the Alt Academy Bootcamp and wants to know how successful will she be landing a programming role given that she doesn't have a computer science degree. The short answer is that you have a good chance, meaning better than 50%, of obtaining a full-time programming role within 9 months of your graduation of this bootcamp, conditional on your application of job search best practices. That's the short answer. Stay to the end. I'll review some of those practices. You can also sign up at latterly.io and go through the checklist. Before we get to those practices, how did I come up with this estimate? It starts by analyzing the Alt Academy Bootcamp and also looking into the educational degrees that programmers have. Let's talk about degrees first. I'll provide an answer based on the 2023 developer survey, but the trends shown here have been consistent for years. Among professional programmers, about half have a bachelor's degree and about a quarter have a master's degree. Those bachelor's degrees are not just in computer science. Overall, the fact that you have a quantitative bachelor's degree and a master's degree makes you extremely competitive in the top third of applicants, holding everything else constant. Looking at this bootcamp in particular, we come to an extremely important question. Are you pursuing a full-time role in the United States or not? If you're pursuing a full-time role in the United States, this bootcamp is unimpressive. Although it has a high average rating, it does not have many reviews, so it will not have widespread employer recognition, and it will have a weak, if any, correlation to your odds of obtaining a job. In Latterly blog article 2, under identifying a substantive program, the rule for a prestigious bootcamp is identified based on research. That is a 4.25 or higher rating and a minimum of 400 reviews. You need both to explain. Diving further into courses helps us understand what job families you'll be qualified to apply for. The question becomes, did you take front-end, back-end, or full-stack course? You'll maximize your job search performance with a full-stack portfolio. Here's some things you can do to improve your job search performance. 1, ensure that you have a public GitHub portfolio with at least 3 projects, ideally demonstrating full-stack skill. 2, grow your social network. Aim to have more than 400 contacts on LinkedIn whenever you start your job search or as soon as reasonable. 3, apply in high volume. Once you're ready to start applying, try to apply 80 plus places per week. Make sure you're leveraging things like Easy Apply to maximize the return on your time and effort. After you do apply, follow up socially with a hiring manager, fellow engineer, or technical recruiter at the company to which you applied. If you want to get a jump start on your social network, you can sign up for Latterly for free and join the Discord. More than 100 people there. We'll take a good bite out of that 400 target. Hope to hear from you soon. Keep us updated and let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.